Hi, this is Simone and welcome to my channel. I'm a registered nurse and I post work from home nursing and other medical professional jobs on this channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And if you are subscribed, welcome back and thank you for your support. Now, this job is for LPNs and they will highly consider social workers, okay? Now they're looking for LPN clinical liaisons. Now, because of the pandemic, they are switching this position to a phone only, completely remote job. Okay. You will be assisting elderly patients and patients that have chronic underlying conditions. Now, what you'll be doing, you'll be conducting um, on the phone assessments and educating patients on the advantages of exact care, chronic care, pharmacy at home program, okay? Whatever else that is, and whatever else to tell you to do. So go ahead and read over this. Like I said before, it's fully remote, self-directed, and travel position. I guess when this is all over, I'm not even sure because everything is so uncertain right now with this pandemic. So let's go down to the qualifications. They are going to have an unrestricted license as an LPN, a degree in social work, or at least 6 months in social work and case management will be highly considered. If you're bilingual, cool, that's good. And they want you to have a valid driver's license and insurance. And 1 year experience as an LPN, home health, hospice, long-term care is preferred. Okay. Now, if this job interests you, definitely go ahead and apply. I will leave all the information in the information box. And please be sure to click on the eye in the sky to look at more of the work from home positions that I post on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I catch you in the next work from home video. Bye.